For 20 years, JLES have been on a journey to become the leading adoption work specialist in the UK. A journey that has revolutionised the way developers achieve successful adoption, driven innovation, and delivered thousands of projects to hundreds of valued clients. A journey that began with a vision of how to overcome the tens of thousands of unadopted developments in the UK and blazed a trail to a transformational backlog legacy adoption solution, which reduced the risks, liabilities, and resources needed by developers to achieve successful adoption. A journey that led to the first fixed cost packages for clients, eliminating costly hourly retainers, and providing a simple, transparent approach for developers. During the journey, we have grown, rapidly expanding our team, our reach, and our services. Throughout, JLES were committed to improving the industry, environments, and communities we've met along the way. Today, the journey has led us to becoming a multi-award-winning business, which is trusted by the UK's top 25 house builders. But our journey is not over. JLES will continue to innovate, improve, and lead the way in adoption services on the road ahead. Together, JLES, innovating road and sewer adoptions for over 20 years.